I ordered the furnace heated 7 times hotter, but when I looked inside, there were 4 men walking in the fire. I am Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylon. My word built empires, my statues commanded nations. So I raised a golden image, tall, radiant, undeniable. At the sound of music, every knee would bow. And they did. All except 3. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Captives from Judah, defiant in the face of power. I summoned them, offered them mercy. Bow and you live, refuse and the furnace awaits. Their answer was calm, too calm. Our God is able to deliver us, but even if He does not, we will not serve your gods. Even if He does not, who speaks like that to a king? Rage burned hotter than the furnace itself. I ordered it heated 7 times more. The strongest soldiers bound them. Flames leapt so violently that the guards perished at the door, and the 3 fell into the blaze. Then I stood. Did we not cast 3 men into the fire? The advisors nodded. But I see 4. 4 men, unbound, walking in the flames as though strolling through a garden, and the 4th, like a son of the gods. The fire that consumed others did not touch them. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out. They stepped from the furnace, no burns, no scent of smoke, not even singed garments. In that moment, my throne felt smaller. I, who commanded nations, could not command the fire, but their God could. So I made a new decree. No one would speak against the God of these men, for no other God rescues like this. I built an image of gold, but I witnessed a faith stronger than flame. And I learned that day, power bows when the fire refuses to obey. If you have enjoyed this faith-filled story, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss the faith within.